round 2 of our tornado warning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tornado Tuesday. Tornado Tuesday. There's a lake forming. That is insane. Hold on. Hey y'all, how are y'all? Oh my God, I've been so bad this week. Yesterday, all we had was a competency over our area-specific curettes, and I did not do that well, y'all. I didn't do well. I had my patient too high when I was working on the mandibular arch, and you know, I'm sad to say, like, I really hate to start the semester this way. I really do. But you know, it's one of those things where I'm really learning how to shake things off, but I'm just really not one of those girls, y'all. I wish I was. I don't want to say it's hard for me to shake things, but I hold my own feet to the fire like a lot more than anybody else will. So yeah, I'm working on it, I promise. So I'm just leaving the gym. We had Tuesdays our long day, so we had like pharmacology in the morning for 2 hours. We had like an hour of forum from 11 to 12, and then after that we could do our dental hygiene class. And so we will be seeing our student partners next week, so y'all will be seeing a lot of content next week. So I'm super excited for y'all to see that. I'm ready for this first week to be done. Wait, it's the second week? Oh my God, it's the second week. Time is already flying by, but I am so glad time is flying by, okay? Because before we know it, we'll be taking boards and we will be registered dental hygienists. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow before school. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. I thought today was Thursday. I was studying for perio last night, and we're actually gonna be in clinic today. So I don't know what we're gonna be working on. Hopefully something where I can get some good content for y'all. So I will see y'all when we get back to school.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep.
I know, because I don't think she was a penny
with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? Put the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. You, I got fries, I'm so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
We did it. I'm sorry.
Trip up to the moon, get a room. One thing, moving too fast. Can't be paid with the windows all black. Seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? Put the top down, spending money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got fries, oh so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. All pro nights, baby, when we gon' slide.
That's the difference. Oh, that's what that. Oh, that's it.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. 40 all out cooking bacon. Orange ice we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. That one thing chop it, girl, chop it, give it a hit. You just slide with it, you be tripping when you listen. You gon' hold me close, you know your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you sick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Get the fuck, but you don't let niggas fuck with your
mind. Reminds me of Easter.
We have the tip facing like up or sideways. Sideways. Have the glove.
5. Yeah, you should have 5. You should have a. You got a 5?
And yes, they will all fit.
I guess. Well, I hope I know which one. Are they labeled on here too? Oh yeah, they are. They're also labeled on the thing, so I know which one they are. Oh, is it just gonna sit on top of the grass? Does it go through the grass? Where does it go in the grass? Exactly. What? Oh, it's easy. Yeah. Yeah, no, you got it. It's easy to, yeah, at the little corner. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god, unboxing. Tower 10.
Down here at the bottom. So what color? So we know how to. Last year, I got rave reviews for doing that because they had told me
Good morning, y'all. Hope y'all are doing okay and slept well. It is Thursday. I'm on my way to school. I got periodontology this morning, and hopefully we don't have a pop quiz, but if we do, I did read the chapters and I went over the old chapters, kind of. So fingers crossed I get an A. All right, it is freezing this morning, okay? Like, look how, that's how cold it is in my car. I don't want to talk about it. I will see y'all after school. Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. I am so sorry about last week. There was a huge issue with my content that I recorded, so this week I'm going to be much better about that, so I completely apologize about not being consistent. But today is the first day of clinic, and we're working on our student partners, so I'm a little nervous. I'm a little excited, but I'm really just ready to get the day started. We're supposed to be there at 8:30. Of course, I'm running a little bit behind because I had so much going on this morning. I had to get myself together. Like, this whole weekend, I was doing nothing, kind of just relaxing and enjoying and finishing up a little bit of work. And then I passed out last night and woke up at like 6:30, and I was like, I have so much to do. So I may or may not make it in time. We will see. Okay, I will see y'all when I get to school. Oh my God, we are all gowned up. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Hey y'all, just got to the gym. Today was crazy. Today was really crazy. First day of clinic with student partners. Very busy. Didn't know what to do. Chicken with your head cut off, but we got through the day. So I'll see y'all after the gym. When it's cold, so you gotta set up a hot cocoa station. Oh, we even got, is that German chocolate? Yum. Where we at, Mitchie?
Embassy Suites.
Embassy Suites. We didn't even put our bags down. We went straight to the bar.
What would be?
For what? For why? So excited. She's so excited. It's our first TDHA.